Okay, now we're going to have a look at a very basic script to remove a game object from a scene, as if it might have been hit by a weapon, it may have been destroyed by an explosion. But this is a very simple way of removing a game object. So I've already written in my script the name of the script, and you do that, just go by add a component, and you scroll down to new script, and then you'll just make your script, new script, and you type in your name and create an ad. But I've already done that. So what I want to do here, I've got my script. There's two ways of accessing it in your script editor. So you can either go to edit script, or you can just double click on the script here, and it comes up with the name of the script. So first of all, see, I've got the name of my script, Destroy Me on Collision. So what I need is a trigger event. So I start off with what's the method, and you always start off with void. So it comes up automatically with the keyword void. And void, I want to trigger the event, so I'm going to go to on. So it will come up with what's called IntelliSense. So I'll go to on, I'll type it out, trigger, enter. So that's what I want for 3D, on, trigger, enter. And it's come up with this on, trigger, enter, collider, other, and it's given me the brackets where I need to put my code in. So what I will do from there, I just want to get rid of the game object, and you do what's called destroy the game object. So I type in destroy, and it's come up here, destroy. Okay, so I'll just click on that, destroy. So I need to put in my brackets, destroy, and go to this. I want this dot, type in for game, you want this dot game object. And we always have, you can see here, it's showing a little error. So you always want to make sure you've got your semicolon at the end of your code. So your semicolon there. So that's in there, you'll see it disappear. So I'll save that. I'll go Command or Control and S, and I'll save that. So now, if I go back to my actual Unity scene, so I'm in my scene, and we're on the cube, and you can see, back on the cube, and you can see, and also you need to tick your bots collider is trigger. So what happens is whenever something enters that bots collider, the game object should disappear, because it has this destroy me on collision script. So I click here for play. You can see my cube is there, and you notice that my cube is slightly above the ground, because if it is touching the terrain, what will happen, the script will recognize it as the trigger being activated, so it will just disappear automatically. So if I move my character forward, you can see the game object has disappeared. So that's a way of removing a game object. So the character may be kicking something, maybe attacking it, and it will just delete it from the scene.